In this video, I'm going to show you how to host a Minecraft server on your PC. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your PC and open up any web browser. Then you just want to go to the search bar and look up Minecraft server file, just like so. Then go ahead and enter that in. Then you want to go to the official Minecraft.net website, just like so, and essentially we need to download this particular file, and this is the file that is going to allow us to run servers on our PC. Now, we are able to run servers on our PC completely for free, and even though it is a great option, it does have its limitations. For one, the server is going to be hosted on your device, so if your device isn't as good or your internet connection isn't the best, then that means your server really is going to struggle significantly. Also, anybody who joins your server has access to your IP address and can get your location. So you should only do this process if you're going to play with people who you trust, people who already know where you live. But if you guys want to make a Minecraft server without any of those limitations, then consider checking out our partners over at Simple Game Hosting. Simple Game Hosting offers affordable and quality Minecraft servers. These servers are 24/7 and you don't need to have the top of the line computer or the fastest Wi-Fi because they're going to take care of everything with their high-end software and their high-end servers. They also provide DDoS protection, so you don't need to worry about safety concerns, and if you guys want to spice things up, you guys could also add mods and mod packs with the click of a single button on your server. There's also dozens of video guides showing you guys how to do everything. If this is something you're interested in, feel free to check out the link in the description down below and in the pinned comment and try out Simple Game Hosting for yourself. Alright, that's enough yapping out of me. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on download Minecraft server. There you go. Then it will be installed to your desktop. Now for this video, I recommend that you drag in and drop the actual server file to your desktop right over here. So just wait for it to install. Alright, so now that it's finished installing, you want to go ahead and drag and drop it to your desktop just like so. And then there you go. You should have something that looks like this. It will be called server.jar. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and just right click anywhere on your desktop and press on new, then folder. Then you just want to give this folder a name. So for this one, we're just going to be calling it 2025 server PC, just like so. And now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and drag and drop this jar file inside of this folder. So let's go ahead and do that. And then bam, if we go ahead and open up this folder, then we should see server.jar inside of it. Now, before we do anything, first of all, you need to have Java installed on your device. Java will allow you to open up jar files, and we need to open up jar files in this scenario. So if you haven't already downloaded Java, you just want to go ahead and open up any web browser, then go ahead and just go to another tab. Then you just want to look up Java download just like so, and you want to go to oracle.com right over here, and this is a free and reliable website where you're able to download Java 21. So from here, make sure that JDK21 is selected, then go ahead and select on your operating system. So me personally, I'm on a Windows, so I would go ahead and select on Windows and then install the x64 installer. And this is basically going to install Java on our device. And then from there, we can go ahead and actually open up jar files and stuff like that. But anyways, once you went ahead and downloaded Java, you'll now be able to go ahead and actually run Java files. So now you just want to go ahead and just double click on this just like so. Then you're going to see a bunch of folders appear. So the next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on eula.txt. So go ahead and press that, and then it is going to open up a page that looks like this. And on the bottom line where it says eula equals false, you want to turn that to true. So go ahead and delete false, then just enter in true. Then after that, you want to go ahead and just save it. So bam, there you go. Then you want to go ahead and close out of it. And then after that, you want to go ahead and select on server properties. And then it is going to open up a text editor. So I do have CS Visual Studio Code. That's why it's showing up this. However, if you don't have it, it might open up like your notes or something like that. But the point is, from here, you guys can go ahead and actually make adjustments to the server itself. For example, the difficulty over here, allow flight and stuff like that. You guys can go ahead and look around in that. But once you're done with that, you just want to go ahead and press on server.jar one more time. Just go ahead and double click on it. And now it is going to go ahead and open up a menu. All right, then the menu is going to look something like this, and then there you go. It is now going to go ahead and actually start your server. So it's going to tell you your memory usage, the average tick and stuff like that. So now all you got to do is just actually wait for it to load in. And right over here is the command area. So you would go ahead and write like particular commands and stuff like that in order to actually make some changes. But anyways, guys, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher really quickly. All right, once you're done with that, you just want to go ahead and select on latest release, then go ahead and press on play. All right, guys, now Minecraft will load in, and the next thing you want to choose, you want to go ahead and press on multiplayer. Then you want to go ahead and press on add server. Then in the server address, you want to go ahead and type in localhost. Then go ahead and press on done. And if you scroll down, there you go. It will now say a Minecraft server and up to 20 players can go ahead and join it. So now you just want to go ahead and enter your server and kind of test it out. So yep, as you're able to tell, our server is actually working. And if we actually go ahead and look over here in Java, it is going to give you like a log of literally everything that happened. So it is going to say that we just joined the game right over here. So you just want to test out that your server is actually working and that's running properly. Now, just to be completely honest with you, this here is the easy part of the actual process. The next thing that is left to do is for your friends to actually go ahead and join your server. And to do that, you need to port forward your server. And I'm going to be leaving a link in the description down below to a video by another creator showing you how to actually port forward, because I personally think he does a really good job at explaining how to port forward. So shout outs to the Breakdown XYZ. So to continue on this process, you want to go ahead and select on their video, which will appear on the end screen. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you later, French fries.